Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're making some apple fritters. Sounded good to me, I wanted something sweet. Stick around. Alright, trying to make this quick and sweet and easy. I got some applesauce, some baking powder, salt, sugar, buttermilk, apples, a couple of eggs, a little bit of cinnamon, and we're going to put this all together, making some apple fritters. Start by adding our salt, and that's 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to get that combined real good. Toss in our sugar. We're going to put about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Get all of that incorporated. One-4 cup of milk. Add that. Toss in our eggs. Get that all mixed in. Add in our applesauce, which is supposed to be, like 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna put about that much in there. All right, let me mix this in. I'll bring you back. All right, I switched out my whisk because, well, this got a little thick. Add my apples in. Now I use a little bit of lemon juice to keep my apples from getting brown, just in case it took me a little longer to get everything stirred up. Good thinking on my behalf. All right, got this combined. Set this aside and let's get our oil going. All right, this is probably gonna go pretty quick. So, I got me about a 1/2 cup here of mix. Drop it in the flour, in the fryer. Sorry, English is getting bad today. Just gonna keep it over there. Do a couple at a time. Set this to the side. I got 2 cups of powdered sugar. Gonna add to that about 1/4 cup of milk. Just finish off that container. And we're gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Looks good. Gonna whisk that together. Just like so. And we're gonna set this to the side. This will be our glaze, go on top. All right. Got that sitting to the side. Let these bad boys fry. All right, spatula ready here. Give this an old turn. Looks good. Beautiful. I got a pan sitting here to the side with a wire rack in the drain. Give these a couple of minutes on this side. Get the next batch ready to go. Keep stirring on our glaze here. Get it ready to drizzle over. Looks good. Give it a look-see. A little while longer. Beautiful. Boom. Alright, bring this a little closer so we don't drag oil all over the place. Nice. Set this over here. Grab another one. In we go. At these size, we'll probably get maybe 5 or 6. We are making them kind of large, so we'll try to get 2 more out of this. Let these go, and I'll bring you back when we get them done. All right, we got all fried up. We're just gonna drizzle, and I added just a little bit of salt to this, just to offset the balance of the sweet. And I added some vanilla and some banana extract, just because, just different flavor. And I'm gonna go on these really heavy with the glaze one because I got a bunch. And 2, I got a hell of a sweet tooth. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna let these cool. Let this glaze set up. Get all lovely. Let these become as one. Beautiful, beautiful. And we'll come back and give these a try. Alrighty. Let's get us one of these. Set these other ones to the side. Now, looks pretty good. Still a little steamy. Apples were cooked. Got that sweet, salty thing going on. Ooh, delicious. So I don't smack in your ear too much. If you like this one, give it a try, and you should. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell your friends about me. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so you can get all of my uploads as I do them and put them out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.